I'm so glad you're here. This is more than just a community, it's a space where we come together to grow, learn, and build a brighter future. Whether you're here to break free from financial stress, develop a wealth focused mindset, or create consistent income online, you've come to the right place. In this community, you'll find simple step by step guidance to help you build consistent income online, mindset shifts to overcome challenges, and believe in yourself. A caring and supportive community ready to encourage and celebrate you every step of the way. This is a space where you can dream bigger, take bold steps, and find the confidence to create the life you love. No matter where you're starting from, know that your goals matter and you have what it takes to achieve them. Take a moment to introduce yourself, share where you're from, and tell us your goals. We're here to cheer you on every step of the way. You're part of something special now, and I can't wait to see all the amazing things you'll achieve.